something over the sound of the snow.
I just love that our steps are gone right into the site. Like, you can't see where anything is at all.
I'm feeling that draft, honey.